Hello everybody, welcome back to the home reviews, my home reviews that is. Today we're going to take a look at the Canon PowerShot SX530 HS. Oh, sorry about that, got some glare. There you go, there's a good look at the camera, at least part of the camera. Alright, so, not much to it, just a simple box. Looks like it had a good beating when it got shipped. Alright, so let's take a look at this. Alright, so we got the manuals. Spanish, English, and French. Alright. Limited warranty. Canon online photo album. Alright. It comes with battery charger. Battery. It's a rechargeable battery. Comes with the PowerShot strap. And here's the camera. Alright, it's a good looking camera. The lens is not interchangeable. This lens is actually attached to it, so you can't remove it. Alright, very simple camera. Not much to it. Ooh, looks like got a few fingerprints. Hold on a second. Alright, there you go. I guess I got my fingers all over it. Now, you can hook up, even though it doesn't come with a cable, you can hook up HDMI, right? And there's your AV in out. Let's see what else has it got. Here's where you put your battery and your memory. It's very nice, simple camera. It's a 50x optical zoom. It's full HD. So you can do recordings, you can do video, I do believe. It's a simple camera. Oh, there's the video button. And it's an automatic lens, or no, it's a manual pop-up lens. The other, so this is it. Very simple. This I would recommend for somebody who's just starting out. On off button. There's your zoom in and out. Okay. So somebody starting out with learning how to use a camera, this is a good camera. There's your microphone. Okay, sensor. SX530 HS. It's a good camera. Alright. Hope you enjoyed watching this home review of mine. And if you like it, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe so that you can see more videos that I create. Alright, and you'll